for my TikTok entry for the Double Dip giveaway contest that is just huge. The grand prize includes both a MacBook Pro and an iPhone 13. Huge competition, so this is the full-length video, full tutorial. If you'd like to support me and help me possibly win this thing, I will include a link to my TikTok video in the description box below. So if you click that after you watch the video twice, 3 times, 4 times, however many times you want, then if you want to comment on it, like it, share it, do a duet with it, just do as much as you can. I mean, this competition is huge. And if you share your TikTok entries with me, I will definitely reciprocate. Good luck, everybody. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you all next time.
We are going to begin with a really simple background of a ombre that's like a baby boomer style. So we're going to begin with white gel paint at the tip of the nail and then just sponge it up, kind of fade it up so it's not so harsh looking. It's just a nice, smooth transition. After I have that done, I'm going to then apply 2 coats of a kind of a nude jelly type of a color. So there's the first one. After the second one, it looks like that. If you wanted it to be whiter, you should apply 1 coat of the kind of jelly nude color, then do the white, and then do the second coat. I didn't want the white to be too much. I wanted it to be kind of subtle. So I just did the 2 coats on top of it, but that would be a customizable option. Then I'm going to take white gel paint once again, and I'm going to be painting the base of my butterflies. And for this, you can choose which nails you want to paint the butterflies on. You can choose how many per nail. You could do 1 on each nail. You could do a couple. You could have whole butterflies or partial butterflies. There's some color choices that you can pick later on. There's just so much customizable, so many customizable choices to go with this. And there's so many different options, and you can do all of your nails. You could do 1 nail. And it's just fun and bright and summery, and I love it. So once we have that first base white done, then you're going to cure that fully, and now we're going to go back through with neon colors of gel polish and add all of the color to these butterflies. I do want to mention before we go too far into this that this was for the competition. This is a recreation competition. It is taking inspiration from celebrity nail art and putting it on your nails, and that is what the whole purpose of this. So this design is a replication, at least mostly, of a design that Sean Legend created in 2020 for Kylie Jenner that was these neon butterflies, and I fell in love with it. By the way, his work is absolutely stunning. If you've never seen his work, I know he's really popular on Instagram. He just started on TikTok, kind of like I did. He's a TikTok newbie, but his work, it's just absolutely breathtaking. So I highly recommend going and taking a peek at his stuff. I will put a link to his Instagram account below. Obviously, I don't want to take credit for this design as far as the initial beginning stages of it because it was not my own, and his work is absolutely stunning. Really go take a look at all of his stuff. He does a lot of things that are very clean and very beautiful, much like this design. So after you have your colors on your butterflies, and I just grabbed a whole bunch of neon colors and I just sort of went to town with them. I've got yellow, orange, and pink on the bigger butterfly, blue and purple on the smaller butterfly for the thumb. On the other nails, I did some other color combinations, but then I'm going to take some black gel paint and I'm going to be doing a little bit of outlining on these butterflies. One thing I do want to mention that I did not do, but you certainly could if you wanted to, is I did not add any white dots to my butterflies, and I typically do. For this design, I really just wanted that neon color to stand out. Just really bright, really intense. And so I didn't want to do the white polka dots. I wanted that contrast between the black and the neon colors. However, it does, I think, look a little more realistic if you put in the white polka dots, and they might be slightly more striking as far as the patterning goes. If that is what you're going for, add in the white polka dots. Otherwise, if you really want the bright neon colors to just sort of be kind of out there and in your face, then I would avoid them. And it's one of those things where if you couldn't decide if you wanted them or not, you could, after everything else has been cured, add the white polka dots, look at it, decide if you like that better or not, and then as long as you're using a gel product, you could always just wipe them away before they're cured, and then you could erase them if you didn't like them, or you would know if you did. So after you've got those first little black outlines, just go through and add a little bit of a pattern across all of the butterflies. You want to add some different circles within them, some different lines. Look at actual butterflies to get an idea of the different types of patterns that are typically seen on their bodies. Then you're going, or on their wings, and then you're going to want to paint their body and add the antennas. Once you have done all of that painting for all of these butterflies, like I said, make sure that you fully cure them, and then this design could possibly be done. You could look at it at this stage and just be like, you know what, I like it. Or you can go through and you can add some more details to it or add some more accents. I added some crystals, some little rhinestones, actually, not crystals, rhinestones, and some butterfly sequins, which I'll show you in a moment. But before we get into that, I also want to mention if you do intend to Join the competition as well on TikTok. You have until the 14th of July. They extended the date by a week, so you have a little more time to get that posted. And make sure that you tag at Double Dip Nails and use the hashtags hashtag Magic Gel Tip and hashtag Celeb Dip Nails to enter. So here are the butterfly sequins. These are also from Double Dip's website. I can put a link to those in the description box below. And as far as the base nail goes, if you missed that video on how I applied the magic gel tips, I will put a link to that one also in the description box below. So check for that. It is so quick and easy to apply them, and they lasted way longer than I thought. So I'm using some of the nail glue gel that came with that kit, and I'm going to put a little bit down, hold the sequins against my nail using a nail stamper, one of the jelly stampers. I'm going to press that, use some pressure to hold the butterfly flat, and then set one of my Flash Cure flashlights over the top of the jelly stamper and hold that until I feel like it's cured, remove it, and you can see the butterfly is flush to the nail. It is not sticking up at all. It is completely smooth. That was like a genius moment when I decided to try that the first time out. I'm going to say that, as you can see, that nail is no longer shiny. That's because the first time I did it, it did not work. And I had to buff off everything and try it again. So it does have a little bit of a learning curve. My first time I used just way too much gel and it was too slippery. So you have to use a tiny bit of gel, just enough, and then it works really well. With some jewelry gel, I'm going to be attaching some of those little crystals right around the nail. Those also came with the tip kit. So if you are going to get the tip kit, you get some of these extra little sparkles along with it. The butterfly sequins were separate, but still the whole kit was just, it came with a lot of stuff, and it had the glue gel, and it had the tips, and it had all of the stuff that you really need to get started. Once you have all of those done, I'm just going to apply some gel top coat, nice and glossy gel top coat over the other nails that do not have the rhinestones, and then this is done. Like I said, please go through and just watch the TikTok video, comment down it, like, share, everything that you're comfortable doing. If you even want to do a duet with me, that would be amazing. And like I said, I will reciprocate. So if you are going to enter the contest as well, definitely send it to me, tag me, or do something, and I will like, share, comment, etc., etc. Bye.